Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing the healthiest ragi mug cake recipe. It's 100% gluten-free, eggless and vegan, ideal as a healthy treat for the whole family. So let's get started with the recipe. To make the mug cake, I'm using a glass mug. You can also use a ceramic mug instead. Into the mug, I'm adding in 3 tablespoons sprouted ragi flour. Ragi, also known as finger millet, is completely gluten-free. It's a rich source of protein, calcium and many other vital nutrients and minerals. Now the reason why I'm using sprouted ragi flour is that once ragi is sprouted, the vitamin C levels tends to increase, which leads to easy absorption of iron into the bloodstream. Also, when using sprouted grains, it will help in better digestion and in better nutrient absorption. Add in 1 tablespoon wood pressed coconut oil. I like to use wood pressed coconut oil in my baking recipes, as wood pressed coconut oil has a very neutral flavor and taste. Hence it's ideal for baking. A couple of drops of vanilla extract, 1.5 tablespoon raw cacao powder, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon pink Himalayan salt. 4 tablespoon plant-based milk of your choice. I'm using cashew milk. Now instead of cashew milk, you can use almond milk or coconut milk. I have already shared how to make plant-based milk at home. Please do check it out. Now if you don't have any intolerance to dairy milk, you can use dairy milk instead of plant-based milk. 2 tablespoon organic jaggery powder. With a spoon, I'm mixing all this really well. For added chocolate flavor, I'm adding in 2 tablespoons chocolate chips. I'm adding 1 tablespoon into the batter and I'm mixing it into the batter. Top it with another tablespoon of chocolate chips. So altogether I used 2 tablespoons chocolate chips. And now I'm going to bake this in my preheated oven for about 15 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Remember that oven temperature varies with oven, so please keep an eye on it. And once out of the oven, the ragi mug cake is perfectly baked. Allow it to cool down slightly and you can enjoy this healthy ragi mug cake all by yourself, and that too without any guilt. So guys, do try this healthy ragi mug cake recipe and let me know in the comments how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.